Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen Golf with this kind of message on the instrument cluster, as well as over here we have ACC and Front Assist no sensor view. It's a common message. I'm not going to call it a fault. It's a common message in the winter time. Right now we have 80 degrees below 0 Celsius, and this basically means that your radar, the front facing radar, is covered with snow or ice. If you have parking sensors, maybe you had this issue with them. When they are covered with snow or ice, you have constant sound from the parking sensors and a message, and you can see on the radar that there's an obstacle nearby. Okay, so I will show you what's the issue here with my car and how easy is it to fix it. And right now all we need to do is cycle the ignition, and this fault should not appear on the instrument cluster and on the infotainment screen. Some of you think that it's the camera that's over here if you have lane assist or some kind of other system like dynamic light assist. No, it's not the camera. Usually it's the radar. If you have a pre-facelift car, you have a single front-facing radar, right where I show you. If you have a Golf MK7 facelift model, then it's behind the Volkswagen badge, above the grille. If you have Passat or some other car, you might have two radars on the left side, on the right side, where usually your fog lights would be. Okay, so basically you need to make sure that your front-facing radar is clean and there's nothing in the view, and it will pick up your surrounding completely correctly. So that's pretty much it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.